Hey, it's Dan Digler. Welcome to I Ain't No April Fool 30-Day Marketing Challenge. Yesterday, I was talking about making sure you had the question in mind before you went digging into your Google Analytics looking for answers about your marketing campaigns. And there's the ability in Google Analytics and some other analytic platforms to build custom reports or even a custom dashboard. And I think that's so perfect because when we create our campaigns and when we start working, that's when we're doing the planning, that's when we've already figured out what we want to measure. What's the end goal? Where do people come in at the top of the funnel, and also some of those events throughout the middle. And if we can create a custom dashboard that just shows us those numbers, that really is going to help us understand where our campaign is currently at. Are we on track? Are we off track? Do we need to pivot? And only if something is off track does that mean that we have to dive deeper into the data. So take a look at Google Analytics custom reports, and or even a custom dashboard. Throw in some widgets related to the metrics that you need to follow to understand whether your campaigns are on track. That's going to save you even more time. So I thought I'd just share that quick tip with you. If you need any help setting up those reports, done it for all my clients, I'd love to work with you, help you understand your data strategy and how you're tracking your marketing. You can learn more about me, get in contact at dandigler.com. And also, if I could ask, subscribe so that you get the next video with my next bit of tips and insights into analytics and business marketing. I will see you tomorrow in the next I Ain't No April Fool 30-Day Marketing Challenge video. So thanks for joining me. Bye.